Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Little Scholars Public School online classes. Children, today we are going to start our new lesson of grammar, lesson number 22, that is, are, am with ing form of doing words. Lesson number 22 is, are, am with ing form of doing words. So let's start, children. Today we are going to see the ing verb. Okay, see children now. In this lesson we will see that how to form the ing word by adding ing to the verbs with is, are, am. Okay, so children, see now, some examples are given in this lesson that we will read now. Pay attention, children. First one is there, I am reading a book. Second, you are reading a comic. Third, she is reading a poem. Fourth, they are reading books. Okay, so read is a action word, children. Read is a action word, doing word or verb, and we add there ing to form the ing word. Means when we add ing to the read word, then we will form there reading. Okay, so downside one chart is there that we have to see now. Look at the box given here. It shows the correct use of is, are, am with ing form of the doing word. Okay, as I taught you, we use am with I. Okay, and are with we, you and they, and is we use with a single word verb, singular noun and pronoun. The girl is, he is, she is, Meena is. If any other name is there, Rohan is. Okay, now we will form the sentences by using the am, are, is with ing word. See children now, I am sitting in the park. I am sitting in the park. We are sitting in the park. You are sitting in the park. They are sitting in the park. Okay children, now we will see next box. The girl is sitting in the park. He is sitting in the park. She is sitting in the park, and Meena is sitting in the park. Means children, for singular noun and pronoun we use is, and for the plural noun and pronoun we use are, and we use am with I. So some example are there children, we will see that now. In that we will see is, are, am with ing words. Now we are going to see the ing form of verb. Am, is and are help other verbs. Am, is and are help other verbs. So we say them helping words. We call them helping verbs. For example, brush, wash, eat, go. These are action words. These are action words. To that we say doing words also and verbs also. See children, to the word brush, wash, go and eat, what we say to it? We say to them verbs, action words and doing words. Got it children? The words that tell us what the action is going on, to that we say action words or doing words or verbs also. Now only I said you a verb shows what a subject does, says, has or is. A verb shows that what a subject does, says, has or is. Now children, while we are adding ing to the verb or doing word, while we are adding ing to the verb or doing word, some spelling rules are there to form the ing verbs. We will see that now children. Now spelling rules for forming ing verbs. Spelling rules for forming ing verbs. For example, we will see eat is a verb. Eat is a verb. See children, this is a verb or action verb that we are going to add ing. That to that word we are going to add ing. See here, it is eat plus ing. Eat plus ing. What form it? The ing verb means eating. Eat plus ing means eating. This is the verb and this is the ing verb. This is the verb and this is the ing verb. When we add their ing, we will form their ing verb. Got it children? Now spelling rule second we will see for forming ing verb. When a verb ends in e, when a verb ends in e, drop the letter e and add ing at the end of the verb. Got it children? Means what? जो वर्ड के लास्ट में ई है, जो वर्ड्स के लास्ट में ई है, and when we are going to add their ing, that time we have to drop that e and add ing. Means see here, for example, make, okay, make, make and game, game. Now we have to add their ing. Before adding ing, we must remove e from the word. Okay, we must remove e from the word and then add ing. That means we will get the spelling making, gaming. This is making and this is gaming. Means जो वर्ड्स के लास्ट में ई है और हमें ing ऐड करना है तो ओ ई को निकाल कर वहाँ पर ing लगाना है. That means we will form their making, gaming like that. Okay, got it children? When a verb ends in e, drop the letter e and add ing at the end of the verb. For example, make, making, game, gaming. We removed here e. ये मैंने पिंक कलर में दिखाया है आपको ये. For what? To understand, we have to remove their e and add ing. Got it children? Now next rule we will see. Next spelling rule for the forming ing verbs. Rule number 3 is there. When in a verb vowels like a, e, I, o and u come before the ending consonant, the consonant is repeated or doubled. Listen carefully children once again. When in a verb vowels like a, e, I, o and u come before the ending consonant, the consonant is repeated or doubled. Means what children? Means वर्ब में, मीन्स एक्शन वर्ड में जब वॉवल्स आते हैं, कौन से? ए, ई, आई, ओ एंड यू. बट व्हेन बिफोर द एंडिंग कंसोनेंट, बिफोर द एंडिंग कंसोनेंट it repeated what consonant? Consonant is repeated or doubled when we are adding ing. Means see children once again, जो एक्शन वर्ड है, वर्ब्स है और डूइंग वर्ड्स है, उनके लास्ट में क्या है, कंसोनेंट वर्ड है. ओके, उनके लास्ट में क्या है, कंसोनेंट वर्ड है, अल्फ़ाबेट है, और उनके पहले अगर वॉवेल है, मीन्स ए ई आई ओ में से कुछ भी है, तो उनको जब हम क्या करते हैं, आईएनजी लगाते हैं, दैट लास्ट कंसोनेंट will be double. That last consonant will be double. For example, see here, children. See here. This is run. R-U-N, run. रन में लास्ट वर्ड क्या है बेटा, यन है. यन वॉवेल है और कंसोनेंट. यन इज कंसोनेंट एंड यू इज वॉवेल. सो that last word is getting double while we are adding the ing. That last consonant is getting double while we are adding the ing. Means run plus n plus ing is equal to running. Means run. Firstly, vowel is there before the consonant, so we add here last word double. So run run plus n plus ing is equal to running. Which word form there? Running. Now see the spelling of running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. Second example we will see, children. Chop. Okay, C-H-O-P, chop. Last word see, P is there, means consonant is there, and before the consonant which is there, O is there, means vowel. So this P is getting double. Okay, now we will see the spelling of chop plus ing. C-H-O-P, chop, plus P plus ing means chopping. Read the spelling. C-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. C-H-O-P-P-I-N-G, chopping. And this running. Got it, children? Listen, children. The verbs. The verbs. I'm going. He, she can take. Is walking. And are chirping. Means we used here am, is and are with the verbs ing. The verb shows action that are happening now. There are many ways of changing a verb. One of the most common ways is to add ing to it. Means when we add ing, that shows action that are happening now. Means when we add ing to the verb, that shows actions that are happening now. Means still actions are going on now. When we add ing, matlab whatever the work is going on, whatever the action is going on, still now going on. Who shows that? When we add ing to the verb, that shows the actions are going on now also. Actions are happening now. Got, children? Now next, students. For example, we will see some action words. Okay, what the action is going on now? What the action is going on now? Walking. There are penguins and they are walking. There are penguins and they are walking. Means which action is going on? Walking. Which action is going on? Walking. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Penguins are walking. Understood, children? Now we will see the next example. What the girl is doing? She is laughing. She is laughing. So which action is going on there? Laughing. Which action is going on? Laughing. We will write here LAUGHING, laughing. That girl is laughing. Okay, children. Now we will see next example. This girl, what she is doing? She is playing with a ball. She is playing with a ball. Means this action is going on now. You can see, you can observe. Oh, abhi bhi khel rahi hai. That means that action is going on. And when the action is going on, that time only we add ing. When the action is going on, that time only we add ing. This girl is playing with a ball. Next example we will see. See the picture. Which action is going on, children? Writing. Which action is going on? Writing. This, can you say which action is going on? Watching TV. Means which action is going on? Watching. It is still going on. Abhi bhi chal raha hai. That shows the verb with ing. Now this, what is this? Which action is going on? Singing. A boy is singing a song. Can you say? Can you see? Yes, you can see. Which action is going on? Singing. So children, it was our lesson number 22. Emmys are with ing form of doing words. Now see, once again we will see. Now look at this table. It shows the correct use of the helping verbs is, am, are with ing form of doing words. Now see children, we use, many times I told you, we use am with I. And when subject, I means subject, am is a helping verb. Before only I said you, am is are, the helping verbs are there, and ing form of a verb we will see. Now here play is the verb and we add here ing, it form playing. Okay, so children, we'll see. I am playing in the park. Okay, he is playing in the park, she is playing in the park. Okay, now we will see, he is playing in the park and she is also playing in the park. And we are playing in the park, you are playing in the park, they are playing in the park. Got it, children? So children, it was a lesson of 22 of grammar is, are, am with ing form of doing words. So children, we are going to stop here. Thank you. Have a nice day.